Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. What is the best way for us to upload from YouTube to Rumble easily? I'm just going to show you real quick. So I'm just going to go back to my channel and show you how I do this. So I'm just going to go to a particular video which I'm currently going to upload or currently uploading right now. So if you're in your YouTube studio, you just click on the pen icon to edit the video, like you want to edit your video. So if you come here, you'll see all of this. All of this we're seeing right now is going to be useful to us on Rumble also. So what we can do is come here, click on this three dots, and you say download. I'm already downloading it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to stop the download. You can see it's the same as the one I already downloaded. Not to waste our time, I'll show you what I've already downloaded. So this same thing is what I downloaded already. So I just let me show you guys. Then for the thumbnail, let's say you already uploaded the thumbnail and you deleted it, but you need it now for Rumble. For us not to lose our quality, we just click on this and say download. Once you say download, you come here like this. And what you can easily just do is just drag it here. So that's what I did. But I would advise you guys to rename it. It's going to be web. You can convert it to JPEG. You have to. You come to quick actions and you quick actions to convert image, and here you go, you select JPEG or PNG and you say actual size or large size, any which way you want. So all right, let's get back into it. Now we come here, copy our title. Once you copy it, you come to Rumble. I'm already uploading the same video. I just want to show you how it's done. So you come video to info, you paste it there. Then I come back to description. I've already copied the description. Then I come here and I paste it here under the description. So this is the description that I use on YouTube that I put in here. So categories, I selected the category that mine falls with. So it's news. So you can pick a thumbnail from the video, like one of the scene or a section of the video that was suggested to you by the platform. Same thing with YouTube and Rumble. So I picked the one I already have before, like the thumbnail I already had before. So let's see if I can delete this. So if you click on it, to take you back to here. So this is it, and you say open, and that is it there. Now you need, I'm just gonna copy this and delete. So this is for the tags. Remember the same tags we have here. The same tags we have here. You paste it here. Then you say unlisted and send mobile push notification to followers. Select it and you say upload. Once you say upload, your video will just automatically be uploaded. So I say upload. So you need to select where to allow. So I have send exclusive this. You have to select all of this, if not, you're not going to be able to upload. So once you've done all of this, non-exclusive, you need to select one of this. So either you say video exclusive or this, I'll say Rumble only, or as non-exclusive, similar to YouTube. I would just say, I don't know which one to pick right now. Video management, I'll say Rumble only. Say submit, say submitting, and we just wait for it to submit. And there you go, done. Simple as that, very easy. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section if this helped you. See you in the next video.